I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your dash control and the resource cost, because if you can't trigger it, you can't escape danger. Once set, gauge your stamina and make sure it is above the minimum threshold. This prevents a failed dash mid-move. Now step toward the intended vector, edge of cover, or open lane, and prepare to double tap or hold the direction input. You must act quickly. Press the dash input the instant you commit so animation and invulnerability frames align. You maintain control by steering with minor inputs. Large direction changes usually break momentum and leave you exposed. While dashing, chain a light attack or roll at the right frame to convert movement into offense. This leverages the brief invulnerability to land hits safely. If an enemy telegraphs a heavy attack, cancel the dash into a defensive action like a block or parry to avoid damage. Keep monitoring resource regen so you don't commit to repeated dashes without recovery. You complete the sequence by landing in cover or a safe space and immediately reassessing your next move. This prevents follow-up attacks. Once done, allow stamina to recover by pausing exertion for a second or two and watching the cooldown indicator. If your dash doesn't trigger, troubleshoot by verifying input bindings and buffering. Ensure no root or stun status blocks movement. Finally, test in a low-risk area to confirm timing and adjust sensitivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.